Hello everyone, welcome back to the farm. Today we're going to show you how you can plant salad in your garden, some different things to consider, and let's just jump right into it. Just going to bring our wood chip material back. As you've seen in the other videos, you can use a string line for this if you would like to. If you want to go ahead and check out the planting radish video and or the planting green bean tutorial video, we show you some other tips and tricks about how you can accomplish this. So there we go, got a little trench dug there for the seed. Today we're going to be planting red sweet crisp lettuce. This is from Johnny Seeds. You don't have to get pelleted seed like we have here. This just happens to work well with the paper pot planting system. So we'll just use this as an example. We'll set this down over here out of the way. Very simple concept here. Place one seed, go over about 6 inches, place another seed, and continue on in that fashion. With lettuce, this is about as tight as you want to plant, is about 6 inches. Now we can make another row over here, 6 inches off, and go that way. It's also kind of like a grid system, kind of like the green bean grid system we use here on the farm. A lot of the stuff we do plant here is grid style. What I'm getting at here with that is that you don't want to place them any closer than that together, because then they will start to have issues. So you don't have to worry about having to actually space them in a diagonal form or whatever you want to do. We were conscious of that previously. We would have a seed and then come over diagonally and have a seed and have a seed. It's not really necessary. We've tried it. You can do it if you want. It's not a problem. Whatever you like to do, as long as you're gardening and getting some plants in the ground and getting some fresh food, that's the main goal here for everybody. Now I've learned another way to do this. I have not tried this in real life, but we're going to try it today. This right here is seed tape. If you want to see how to make this, go check out Gardener Scott. He's got a video on this. It's called How to Make Seed Tape. He also has some more videos about this. I learned about this from a colleague at work, and he told me about this and said, hey, I got an idea here for you. Try this out. So long and short, we've got some seed in here. Looks like they're a little bit closer than 6 inch spacing. This is a really nice thing that you can do. You can even buy this seed tape. It actually does exist as a product that already has the seed in it. But it's really nice if you're having a stormy day or bad weather or it's cold outside. You can go ahead and have these made up, ready to go for when you have a nice day for out in the garden. So you have all your seed ready to go. It's already in a strip. We'll make another little spot here to pull back. My poles back here are getting in the way of the greenhouse, but that's just a part of the fun here. Bring this back here just a little bit. You don't have to use a rake. You can use a hand spade, a garden hoe, whatever you'd like to do, just whatever's easier for you, more convenient, whatever you have laying around. So the seed tape here, I'm going to lay it down in this particular fashion. Just put about 1/4 inch of soil on it. Just about like that. And let it grow. Now, as I said in other videos, one thing that you do want to consider is planting your things every week. Plant lettuce about that much, however much you need. Next week, come back, plant again, and continue on doing that. That way you can use your garden as your refrigerator. It's just a great way to do it. We do that here on farm. I highly recommend it with all kinds of different products, and here's another example of that here. There again, if you want to see some more about that, check out the radish video. It's how to plant radish. We talk about that quite a bit. Well guys, we appreciate it. We hope this is informative for you. If you do enjoy this type of content, please give it a like and subscribe. We'll catch you on another video.